Pranjali Sanket, and I am an intern student for data science internship at Avishkar Tech Solution Private Limited. As a part of advanced data science internship at Avishkar, I deployed a machine learning model, that is PIMA Indians Diabetes Exploratory Data Analysis and Prediction. Here, for this project, I have used a data set from the National Institute of Diabetes, Digestive and Kidney Disease. The objective is to predict whether or not patient has diabetes based on certain diagnostic measurement included in the data set. And the problem statement is I have to build the machine learning model to accurately predict whether or not the patient in the data set have diabetes or not. So the front end of this project is look this way, that I have created a diabetes prediction form in which there are 8 attributes present, and after here I am selecting any random value, and after selecting the random value from the given attribute, I have to submit it, and after submitting the value, it will be providing me the status whether the diabetes has been predicted or not. So here they provided me diabetes predicted status for the given input is yes. So for this front end page, I have used HTML and CSS language, and this is the command Anaconda prompt, which helped me to recognize a value while entering the data. Here the data has been stored over here, so you can easily recognize from it. So this is in the backend. This is a backend. Here I have used the technology that is RAM required is 4 GB and language used is Python. Here the step 1, I have importing the libraries. After importing the libraries, I have stored my data set as given the variable name diabetes. Here after loading it, you can see my data. Here are the 9 attributes, and the last is outcome column that indicate 1 and 0. 1 indicate diabetes has been present, 0 indicate diabetes has not been present. So after loading the data, in the step 2, data is been visualized based on count plot and heat map. Count plot is used to identify the range value of each and every attribute. With the outcome column, it has been compared. Heat map is used to indicate more correlation. Brighter the color indicates more correlation, and here the count plot is compared with the outcome and all the remaining attributes. Then in the after count plot, in the step 3, I have used a data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is to check the missing values, and that is been replaced with the mean value. Then splitting is been performed. After performing a splitting of data, in step 4, I have applied a machine learning model. In the machine learning model, I have used 5 algorithms, that are logistic regression, k-nearest classifier, SVM, decision tree, and random forest. So logistic regression gave me 73%. After that, k-nearest classifier gave me 72%. SVM gave me 73%. Decision tree gave me 70%. Random forest gave me 75%. So out of which 5 algorithm, random forest gave me the best accuracy. Confusion matrix has been performed. Later on, to load the data, I have created a pickle file by importing it. Then this way I have deployed my project. So for this, I want to thank you. I want to say thank you to the trainer Nishal sir and the mentor Shishma ma'am and Prachi ma'am for this advanced data science internship, for all the knowledge they shared in the advanced internship, because of which I was able to deploy the machine learning project. I also thank Sunil sir and the management team for their continuous effort for motivating me to do the assignment and the challenges tasks to do. As a part of internship program, I highly recommend this advanced data science internship to anyone who wants to learn about the data science. Thank you Avishkar for making me a competent data scientist.